6-packs and a big bag of ice. 2 6-packs and a big bag of ice.
Hey, Bobby from New Jersey. Back with a quick one. How strong is silver solder on stainless? I tacked this together with some silver solder. These are 2 stainless washers. So somebody on Homebrew Talk threw down a challenge, basically, that he doesn't believe that silver solder or soldering works on stainless because stainless is so resistant to tarnish and things like that, that the solder doesn't actually wet the stainless. It definitely happens more with softer metals like copper, where, like, even if you desolder, you can see that the solder remains embedded in the metal even when you start sanding it. I don't know if it happens as readily with stainless, but I can tell you that it's good for a pretty strong mechanical bond. Alright, so there's probably about 1/3 of a square inch of contact area between the 2 washers where the solder sits. Also, real quick, I used Stay Clean. This is Harris brand Stay Clean Liquid Flux. Has to be liquid. Also, Stay Bright 8, which is a higher quality silver solder. The 8 means it's got 8% silver content, and that actually is stronger, and it also stays shinier. It's a better finish. You can't really see it here because it hasn't been shined up, but it's a pretty good looking bead. Alright, so how strong is it? Alright, it's not coming apart no matter how hard I push on it. So let's hang it up. Let's see. I have this hook hanging off the ceiling of my garage. And I'm going to take this bag of scuba weights, which is 25 pounds. And I can prove that to you real quick. £25. Alright, so there's 25 pounds hanging from there. So the next thing I think I'm going to try here is to just pull on this and see how much weight I can get on the luggage scale here. Okay, so I aired it out. I think this will go up to 44 pounds, so I got it up to 44. Alright, what else can I do to prove the mechanical strength of this solder joint? Let's see if I lock it. Can't lock it into the vise and hold the camera nice at the same time. Alright, so it's locked into the vise. Let's see. Small sledgehammer. Alright, I finally got it to pop. It still has solder residue on both. I'm convinced that the solder is embedded into the surfaces. It just keep in mind that I just bent 1/8 stainless washer trying to beat that apart. Alright, how much mechanical strength do you expect the joint to have? Okay, so yes, you can silver solder stainless. It wets just fine. It's all in the technique and the proper materials. Stay Clean and Stay Bright 8. I don't think it would be as strong with a lower percentage silver solder or a plumbing solder that you would find in Home Depot. Alright, so try it again, and I think you'll like it.